Viagra alternative, natural remedies for erectile dysfunction or impotence. Forget Viagra. You can try this simple and homemade recipe with natural food. It is suitable for men and women. At the same time, it may cause you sleepless. Try it at your own risk. You need 1 fresh egg, 8 almonds or 1 tablespoon of ground almonds, 200 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Heat the milk first until it is warm. Place all ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. Enjoy the drink and feel the strength. That's it. Simple. Please subscribe if you like this video.